In this video, we'll show you how to add a custom underline to text in Framer. This is perfect for creating stylish headings, links, or call to action text with full control over appearance. Start by selecting the text layer you want to underline. In the right-hand Properties panel, go to the Text section. Click the plus icon next to the text property to reveal advanced options. Under the Decoration menu, click the Underline icon, the classic U with a line beneath it. This immediately applies an underline to your text. Framer lets you fully customize your underline. You can change the color, adjust the thickness, and modify the offset, the distance between the text and the underline. You can also select different styles like dashed or dotted lines for a unique look. To create hover effects, make the text a component. Set a default state without an underline, then create a hover variant that adds the underline. This works beautifully for links or interactive elements. For even more advanced styling, you can explore custom components from the Framer Marketplace, which offer additional underline effects and animations. By following these steps, you can make your text stand out with custom underlines and create polished, interactive designs in Framer.